Hi everyone, welcome to armafit. I'm 师傅相光. Now we learn the 虚步. For 虚步, we have left 虚步 and the right 虚步. 虚步, which means it's empty. You don't put your weight on that leg. It's 虚. If I put my weight on my right leg, I didn't put my weight on my left leg, then it's called left empty stance. If I put my weight on my left leg and my right leg didn't support my body's weight, so this is called right empty stance. 右虚步，左虚步。虚步 for the standard 虚步 same as the horse stance and ball stance. The support leg, the thigh of the support leg almost parallel to the ground. When we do 虚步, we put our weight on one leg and rest another leg. Use our toes to point to the floor and squat down to do the left empty stance. 左虚步. So we rest our left leg and use our right leg to support our body weight. And then we squat down. So at beginning, we can do the high empty stance, 高虚步. Okay? Which means you don't have to squat too low. Just start. You can do from a high level and squat down, down, down each time. When we do the 虚步, our support leg toes point to a 45 degree. Okay? And then my empty leg, we use the tiptoes to touch the ground. But we don't put weight on that leg. Okay? Just drop naturally on the ground. And then toes point forward. This is a 虚步. Great job, everyone. See you in next video.